Hi, hope you're having a lovely day. This is another unboxing video, but this time I have got two, and they're Betty boxes. I've got one for me and one for my bestie. Now this came as a complete and utter shock because I didn't realise this morning when I received it that I was getting two this month. So I quickly looked online before I even had a chance to open up the packaging to see whether I'd accidentally added two on my account or they've taken two lots of money out, but no, it is a free box for me to give away. So I will be giving this away in a giveaway. So if you want to see how you can win this one for you, then stay tuned until the end when I'll give you all the details for that. So inside this one, which I'll be giving away, there is a code that I will link down below that entitles anyone, I'm assuming, to have their first box for £5. So I will link that down below. Click on show more, that'll bring up description. All the details will be down there. So yeah, so Betty Box. What is Betty Box? If you don't know anything about Betty Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown. If not, I'll add a little timestamp down below so you can click forward to skip all about the subscription if you already know about it. So Betty Box is a monthly subscription box, but it's for your periods, and it also contains beauty products as well, and it's for teens, so it's for the younger lady. We do have Pink Parcel, and Pink Parcel and Betty Box are connected. They're the same company, but they've brought out a box for teens, and then I received the Pink Parcel for the older lady then, so to speak. Similar products, similar sort of brands, but inside it's just more funkier colours, branding is funkier, plus some of the products are more suitable for the younger ones. They have recently come out with bettypads. I will link it in the description if you're interested to learn more about it, but it's basically pads suitable for younger girls that have started their period, so maybe like 10 years old, 9 years old. So there are smaller pads, so online you get to choose what sizes you want, what type of pads you want, and also the brand of the pads you want, and you get to choose what date you want your Betty Box to be sent out to you, and you can change that anytime you want. So inside the box you receive a single box full of beauty items, and then you've got separate boxes and bags full of your sanitary protection. So let's open it up. Comes with a little leaflet, and in here it tells you everything about the beauty side of things. So it tells you the pricing and where you can get it. So I'll be referring to that as I go along. And this is what the inside looks like. So you can see you've got different boxes. I'll just put it down and I'll show you all individually. So every month you get a little bag, and inside you get a mix of, in here we've opted for pads. So we've got a selection of day pads and some panty liners as well. In the for later box we've got a selection of day pads, and then we've got a for night box which has slightly larger pads in there. And then the last box is the beauty box. So this is what everyone likes to watch, to see what you get inside. Now generally the beauty items alone come to around like £40–50 per month, so you're paying £12.99 for the box, which includes the sanitary protections. I think it's quite good. Some months are better than others, but generally my daughter, this is for my daughter by the way, I have the Pink Parcel, my daughter has the Betty Box. Generally she absolutely loves it. She gives me the tea though. So inside you do get a tea bag, and you get a sweet treat, and then you get 5 beauty items every single month. So I'll just show you quickly what's inside September's box. So if you're new to my channel and you're watching this video for the very first time, please excuse my tuff, or my lack of tuff. It's a baby tuff that I lost a couple of days ago. It's 42 years old. I'm so proud that I've managed to keep it in my mouth for all this time. But I'm really self-conscious when I'm editing my videos. I can see like there's a gap down there I should say. But yeah, I am getting it sorted. Not too sure whether to go for a brace or to pull the adult tuff which is growing behind it out. I'm not sure. It's a long story and I'm sure you don't want to know. If you're new, I just had to say, I just have to justify my lack of tuff. So picking up the first item in the box, and it's a patisserie de bain, and it's raspberry roulade bath and shower cream, and it's 50ml, and that's what that looks like. We've had a few of these products in beauty boxes. Never had this one. Oh, that's gorgeous. They do tend to have the most amazing smelling products, really gorgeous. Oh, see, I'd love that myself. But no, I've got to give it to my daughter. So in these boxes you will have a choice of two. So you either get sweet as cherry pie or the raspberry roulade, which is what we've got. So this is like a travel size. So for the full 200ml size, it will cost you £3.99. Got serious dessert cravings? Us too. Lather up the indulgent scent of raspberry roulade or cherry pie. So that's all the information that says there. But no, quite a nice product. So the next one is something round. I believe it's a lip balm. Lip balm in lemongrass and green tea, and this is by Bubble Tea. And it's got essential oils in it. Ooh, I absolutely adore lemon, but I was expecting it to be with lemongrass to be really overpowering, but it's not. But no, it's nice and subtle. I just love this. It's quite quirky, isn't it? It's like a macaroon. It does say actually macaroon lip balm. I didn't read it properly there. So that's that one. And what's it saying here? So this is full size and it would cost you £2.99. This sweet lemony treat smells good enough to eat, and it's enriched with jojoba oil to keep lips soft and flake free. Paraben, SLS and SLES free and never tested on animals. We can't get enough. And she's going to love that. She collects lip balms. So yeah, a brilliant item for her. So the next item is, it's a brand we've had quite a lot in different beauty boxes. It's Balance Me, and this is a Balancing Face Moisturiser. And it's 99% natural and it's 20 mils. I'm not sure we've ever had a moisturiser. I'm not sure. But I don't think she has anyway. I don't think this is a repeat in a Betty box, so I think that'd be quite nice. She's got super sensitive skin. She's just starting to break out in acne, just a little spots I should say. It's not a lot, but it's just a few little spots cropping up, so we are trying to look after her skin, or I'm trying to guide her, but yeah, there's only a limited amount of skin products she can use. So this is a sample size, and to buy the full size of 50 mils it will cost you £24. Say goodbye to shine and feed your face with essential moisture without clogging up pores. The lightweight cream is enriched with natural wonder ingredients like bergamot oil and will leave you feeling super fresh. So no, that's quite a nice product to have. Next item is your sweet treat. Oh, we've had this before. I've had this before and I absolutely love it. It's crunchy peppermint Montezuma's milk chocolate minted with crunchy peppermint. I'm just reading it all up front there. So it's basically a peppermint chocolate. And it's milk chocolate, isn't it? If it's dark chocolate, see, she'd give it to me. But no, I love it. I know she will too, unfortunately. So to buy the full size, which is 100 grams, it will cost you £2.59. And this is, what is this? I think it's like, is it 30 grams? Yeah, 30. Enjoy it as a premenstrual pick-me-up or a lunchbox treat. No, she has got, yeah, she's way off being premenstrual. Definitely. 12-year-old, I suppose. Lots of different people buy this box, so they're catering for everyone. So anyway, we love it dunked in tea to keep our brains ticking over during a homework sesh. So no, she's going to love that. We've got a Sebamed Clear Face Facial Toner. And this is for impure and acne prone skin, and it says it's pH 5.5, and what else is there? Nothing really. Combats pimples and soothes the skin. So that's the outer packaging. So that's what that looks like there. How much is this? This is 20 mil, and it says for 150 mil it will cost £5.69. Use this toner to remove dirt, sebum and oil, which can lead to blackheads and spots. It's infused with rich hazel to shrink pores and cooling cucumber to keep skin hydrated. So no, quite a nice product as well. Then we've got our tea, which is for me because she doesn't drink it, and I've had this before, so I think I've probably had it in Pink Castle? I don't know, I can't remember now. So it's Drink Me Chai, and it's a chai latte, spice chai latte. So that's there. This is a 15-gram pouch. For 250 grams, it will cost you £2.50. And it says the 99% caffeine-free treat won't keep you up at night or interfere with those Z's, making it perfect for school nights too. No. It's mine. And then the last item is a mask. Oh my word. I'm not sure if she would try this. It's a snail mask. It's a facial mask, a sheet mask, and she hasn't tried it before, but I've had one and she thought it was the most disgusting thing ever. So I'm not sure if she would try it or not, but hopefully she will. Hopefully she will, because I think it'd be quite good. Did I show you? I'm not sure. Apologies. So there's a Korean sheet mask. So this is a full-size product and the cost is £8.50. The latest K-beauty trend, snail slime, might leave you wide-eyed with shock, but we promise you it's a total skincare superhero and worth a try. So no, So that's all the products. I'm just going to gather them all up together. Here we go. So as well as the sanitary protection, we've got all these items. I think it's quite a good box this month. She's got some chocolate, a lip balm, a sheet mask, a moisturiser, a toner and a body wash and some tea as well. So no, quite good. I think it's quite nice. I think she'll be chuffed. So yeah, so quite a nice box this month. So on to the giveaway then, or the surprise giveaway I should say, because I just was not expecting it. I was really panicking that I bought two, and because I was thinking waste and you know we don't need extra items, so yeah, I was a bit worried, but no, I'm assuming you all get it because Pink Parcel and Betty Box, they don't have my name as Diary of a 40 something, they just have my personal name and my personal email, so I'm assuming every single one of you who gets a Betty Box will have two this month, which is such a great idea, definitely great idea. So I thought I'd give my extra one away to you lot. So inside it's exactly the same. There is different products in there, but so you've got a set of beauty, and because it's pads that we've chosen, there are pads in here, but they are the usual pads. They're not specifically for like 8 to 10-year-olds or 12 to 13, I believe my daughter has. They are just the normal pads, but for older teens, maybe adults even. So yeah, so you've got the pads and the panty liners, you've got the night pads, the day pads, and then the beauty. So to be in for a chance of winning this giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel. I will be using like a random generator comment picker type app thing that I use, and that will go through all the comments and just pick someone at random. So you need to comment down below. If you want, you can literally just say I'd love to enter this competition, or I'd like, and please enter me into the competition, just so I know. If you leave a comment down below and you don't mention the competition, then when it comes to drawing and your name is picked up and there's nothing about the competition, then I will choose someone else. So if you want to enter this competition giveaway sorry, if you want to enter this giveaway, make sure you mention something about the giveaway in your comment down below. And on the day that I draw, then your privacy settings must be set to public so I can actually see that you are subscribed to my channel. If not, unfortunately, I'll have to choose someone else. So yeah, so I'll put all the details in the description, so it'll all be down there. You need to be subscribed to my channel, make sure your settings are set to public so I can see you're subscribed, comment down below, also leave me a contact, so your personal email address, if you're okay with leaving that, or your Instagram, or say Twitter, something that I can find you easily and I can message you. I'm not talking properly. It's got to be this tough, isn't it? It's causing havoc. Right, what else is there? If you're under the age of 18, I believe, you need to have parental consent, so please ask them first. And I think that's it. Anything extra, I will add it in the description, so please take a look there just in case I have missed anything out, but I think that's it generally. I'll do it for about 3 weeks or so. I will come up with a date and I'll write it in the description so that you all know when the ending is, and I'll let you know then. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this review. Sorry about me being a bit scatty and a bit all over the place. I hope it didn't affect your viewing pleasure of my video, but anyway, I'll shut up now. So take care, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. Speak soon. Bye.